Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the latest rumors surrounding the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. As per a recent report, the iPhone 16 Pro might come with haptic buttons instead of physical buttons. These buttons would use vibrations to simulate the feel of a physical button, giving users a more responsive and tactile experience. The report suggests that the new haptic buttons would use advanced technology to create a range of haptic feedbacks, allowing for more intuitive and dynamic interactions with the device. For instance, users might be able to adjust the level of haptic feedback for different actions, or use different haptic patterns to differentiate between various notifications. If these rumors turn out to be true, it could be a game changer for the iPhone. Haptic feedback is already used in various Apple products, such as the MacBook Pro trackpad and the Apple Watch, but bringing it to the iPhone's buttons could take the user experience to a whole new level. Moreover, the report also suggests that the iPhone 16 Pro might come with other upgrades, such as a new camera system with improved zoom capabilities and enhanced low-light performance, and a faster processor with improved efficiency. While we don't have any official confirmation about these rumors yet, we can expect to hear more as we get closer to the release of the iPhone 16 Pro. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest news and rumors as they come in. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. See you in the next one.